What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be working on this 2006 Mercedes C230. I'm gonna be replacing the hood shocks. They went out and it's kind of annoying to open the hood and you have to use vice grips or a stick to hold the hood. It's kind of dangerous. This hood is kind of heavy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the shocks real quick. I'm gonna start by opening the hood. And since the hood doesn't stay open, I'm gonna use a piece of pipe to hold it. Now that I'm able to hold my hood open, these shocks, they're actually really easy to replace. So they have a clip and all you gotta do is insert the screwdriver and then you just pop the clip off and they come off. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom one. So there it is. That's the old one. I'm just gonna put it on the side. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. So same thing on this side, they have a clip right here. And you just pop the clip and remove the shock. And same thing on the bottom. As simple as that. So these are the old ones and these are the new ones. I paid about $20 on eBay for this. I don't know how long they're gonna last, but for now I know they're gonna be okay. For $20, if they work for a year, I'll be happy. So these are my new ones. Now on the new ones, there is resistance, so you can't push it down by hand. And here's the old ones. And the old ones, they have no resistance. So you're able to push them down like nothing, and they don't come back up. And they're supposed to come back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new ones. Before you install the new ones, they have these plastic covers on the old ones. So this one has like a red button on the bottom. So you're supposed to swap the plastics. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the plastic for the new shock. And for this one, it's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna insert this one inside of the plastic cover. Apparently these are the original ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and install my shocks. And it's pretty simple, you just like press them in. Not a big deal. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one as well. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my pipe. And there it is. Now the hood stays open. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer the best I can. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.